Hey everyone, welcome to the Mom Beach Small Business Spreadsheet instructional video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Mom Beach Small Business Spreadsheet. When you purchase the product, you're given this PDF. And you can download now or watch the video, which I'm recording now. So I'm going to click download now, and it will take you to this to copy the document. So you make a copy, and it would take you to your Google Sheets or your Google Drive. And this is the Small Business Excel Spreadsheet copy. So here you would put in your name, and then this is the current date. So you put in the current date, the 24th, and then you put the month for your supply order tracker. You put in the month, and it will just update everything, and it will show you a graph of what your progress is. September, and we're going to put like January. And so here you could choose your month, and this is the mileage tracker. This is like a dashboard, so it shows you all the information that you have listed in these tabs. So this is the expenses by certain month on the dashboard, and expenses by current month on the dashboard. And these are graphs that show you like a really easy way to see all your income and your expenses. So here are the finance categories that you would put. So these are the categories that you're going to be putting for the spreadsheet, and you can add some more if you'd like. And these are the expenses that you list for each of the categories. So for each category, you put how much you're spending for each day, and then it will tell you the total for the month, and all the months are listed. It's a spending calendar. And then here's the income. It will show you how much money you're making each day. You can like record each of your incomes. And then this is the finance by week, and it shows some information here. Here you can see the data on your expenses and income for the selected period weekly. You need to select a month at the top. If there is a plus sign, which you need to click to open or hide a specific month. So this one shows you your finances by the week. So here you click on a month and you select the plus sign, and it would open up the rest, the whole week. That way it keeps it collapsible. You can take this, see it opens that, and you put here, it opens that for February, and then for March it would open this one. That's how you can open and collapse the rest of the weeks. This is January, so you can collapse it. Or open it. You collapse it here, and then for February you could collapse this one, so that way they're all collapsed. And to uncollapse them, you would click this to uncollapse January, and this one uncollapse February. So that's really cool features for this. That way it keeps it nice and tidy. And this is the finance by the year, and it shows you all the money that you have spent or gotten for the year. So total income by the year and total expenses. So it measures all the tabs. That way you don't have to keep repeating yourself. It measures all the tabs. And for this one, the supply order tracker, you put like the current dates here that we've already put, and this is all the different supplies and the orders that you have gotten. It tracks them right here. And this is, you put the passwords for the different websites that you use. That way you don't get confused and if you can't remember your password. Right, here's the mileage tracker. You can put how much you're spending on gas, because your mileage. And then this is for your invoice. You change the name of the company here, and you can print this out to send to your customers for the products. Like if they owe you some money, you put their name and their address and their street and their phone and their email. And here you can put all the business contacts of your partners. This is a really awesome way to keep your business finances correct, come tax time, because you can like end up spending so much money if you get audited, so it's always good to keep your expenses and income current. This tool is an excellent way to do that. I hope you enjoyed this Small Business Excel spreadsheet video. Have a great day.